guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a unboxing, and the unboxing we're doing for is the Jeffree Star mystery box, and I have the ultimate one. So here it is. It's huge. So I got this on Black Friday. They sold out like within an hour, and it was $175. Go ahead and unbox this. So before you say anything, I already opened everything that's in here, so I already know what's in here. So really it's just an unboxing for you guys. So the first thing is a t-shirt. It's a Jeffree Star t-shirt, and the stitching is pink, and it's a large because I'm big, whatever. So yeah, it's a Jeffree Star t-shirt. The next thing that I saw when I opened this was the Jeffree Star sweatshirt, which I love. I'm so excited I got a sweatshirt. Okay, so the next is we have Skin Frost and King Tut. And these are so big and beautiful. So as you can see, I already may have used it once or twice. Whatever. Okay, so I didn't use all of these, I swear. I just looked at them. So the next is Skin Frost Mint Condition. Again, these like highlighters are huge. Okay, next is Supreme Frost, and this is in Frozen Peach. And I was so surprised to see this Supreme Frost in here, because these are like in his new collection. But yeah, there's that. And all these are like so beautiful. And even if you don't want to use it as like a highlighter, you can always use it as an eyeshadow or anything you want. So next we have Jeffree Star Cosmetics Grape Soda Lip Scrub, and it's the Velour Lip Scrub. I actually haven't opened this yet. So let's open it up. And if they look like a little bit like dirty, like right there, it's because they're in my makeup box. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So yeah, this is from their summer collection, I believe. I don't know, but I've been wanting a lip scrub forever. So next we have some lipsticks. We have 5, not 4. I was gonna say 4. Okay, so let me see. We have 2 Velour liquid lipsticks, and one is in Baby Daddy and one is in Diamond. So Diamond, this is Diamond. And like I said, even if you don't want to use it as a lipstick, you can always use it as something else. I'll definitely be using it as a lipstick. And the next one is Baby Daddy, like a brown, really pretty. I'll definitely be using it. Okay, so next we have a Velour liquid lipstick in Flamethrower, and this is orange, and it almost reminds me of like Halloween. Okay, and next we have a Velour liquid lipstick in Can't Relate, and this is one of the newer ones. And it's like the sparkly one, if you can see that. And this is so pretty. It's like a pinkish nude. So pretty. I will definitely be using it. I'll be using all of this stuff. Who am I kidding? Okay, and the last lipstick is one of the Lip Ammunition, and this is called Unicorn Blood. It's like a darker red, and I love like this like little packaging. It's so cute. And here's the red. It's a really dark red. Okay, and last but not least, we have this box, which has the Jeffree Star mirror in it, which I've been wanting forever. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I finally, literally everything I got in this box is what I've been wanting. So we added it up, and we pay. I paid like so I added it up, and I paid $175 for this box, and the items worth, everything added together is worth like $320. So you definitely get like way more than you paid for it. So I'm so happy with this box. I know some people were let down, like with the colors and stuff. I mean, not me. I'm happy. But there's some people who didn't get like the colors they wanted. But it's a mystery box. If you want a certain color or a certain item, just buy it. What are the chances of you getting everything you want? I mean, I got everything I want, but that's me. So I'm so happy with this package, and next year if they have it, I'll definitely be buying it again. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this opened unboxing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell button if you want to be notified of when I post. I'll definitely be testing out the products and such, and then I have more videos coming out shortly. So I haven't posted in a while, and it's just because I started working and I just had so much going on, but I promise I'll be back on my regular schedule. I already did 2 videos today, so I'll be posting them tomorrow, which is Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday the 11th. So new videos will be coming out Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, you know, every other day we'll be posting. So make sure to hit that bell button to be notified, because you're not going to want to miss these next videos. They are awesome. So thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.